Okay. So nested class is nothing but we saw already data member as well as the function is going to be wrapped inside a class that is called the encapsulation. So in this case, so what actually happened, the member, that is, instead of taking a member function, we also including a class as a member, right? So that is called a nested class. So this nested class can be classified into two category. Okay, so let me go ahead with the category first. So here I have a class student. Okay, so here I have a class mobile. Let me take a mobile. Inside this class have a another class Samsung. Okay, inside a class I will be having another class Samsung. Okay, so I have a one more class called static mm, Redmi. Okay, so this class is a normal class and the other class is a static class. Okay, so this is a major difference between nested class and nested inner class. Okay, so listen guys, so this I mean the non-static class is called as a only inner class. Okay, non-static class inside a class is called a inner class. If it is a class is mentioned static, okay, so that is inside another class called nested inner class. Okay, simple definition. So let me go ahead with how to access these two. Okay, so let me have a one method here. So you guys know how to take a method and the member attributes inside a class. Now it's a another class. The member is also a class. Okay. So this case, how to access this? Okay. So let me go ahead with first class Samsung. Okay. So for this class Samsung, so I need a outer class. So what is my outer class? Outer class is a mobile. So mobile m equal to new mobile of. So outer class object. So if you want to call a inner class object, what I'm doing here, Samsung. So this is not directly visible. So that is why I have to call this with the help of outer class. So outer class dot inner class Samsung object is m1 mobile equal to, so outer class object instance, that is outer class object instance is m dot new instance of inner class object. What is my inner class? Samsung. Okay, so this is how I'm just calling. Okay, so after calling this, now if I want to execute a method inside it, I can directly go ahead with the inner class object. Inner class object is m1 dot print off. Got it? So now this is comes under a Samsung. Okay, so if I want to take a nested inner class, that is static class, so what I supposed to do, I don't want a object of the outer class. You got it? So static method, I don't want to use a object of the outer class. Instead I can directly go ahead with the class name dot the method name, right? Similar way here also, outer class name dot the inner class name. Inner class is what? Redmi redmi and my mobile m2 equal to new outer class. Instead I am not using it, but I have to navigate where the class is. That is why outer class dot inner class. Okay, the instance also I'll be creating with the help of a outer class name. Okay, so let me go ahead with the printing of this. So we'll be having the statement like this. If I run this, you'll get a, so I bought Samsung mobile. Hi, I bought Redmi mobile. You got it? So inner class is nothing but a member class is a comes under a outer class. Okay, so this class is a non-static class. If we want to access this element inside a non-static class, okay, so what I supposed to do, I have to make use of the outer class instance. So that is, so I'll be creating first outer class instance, that is object of the mobile outer class. So inside I have my non-static class, that is mobile dot Samsung equal to new instance of Samsung with the help of the outer class instance m dot. Okay, so outer class object is m dot. So if it is a static class, I don't want an object of the outer class. I'll be directly calling with the help of outer class name dot inner class name, inner class object equal to new instance of outer class name dot inner class name. So directly got it, and I have printed the to printf method inside it. So that is what I bought a Samsung mobile. I bought a Redmi mobile. I hope everyone clear with. So what is nested class? What is nested inner class and the inner class alone? Right? Got it?